Hello and welcome to this week's topic, which is the origin of life, the universe, and everything. Where did everything come from? Everything's origins. So we have a lot to pack into today. Let's get started. Okay, so the origin of Earth and the Proterozoic. Now, the origin of everything starts with the Big Bang. Now, the Big Bang is a theory, meaning we have not absolutely, without a doubt, 100% over and over and over and over again proved it. However, it has as much as a theory, as much believed by the scientific community as evolution, as gravity, right? As other things that we take as basically fact in the scientific community. Right? So the Big Bang Theory is this theory that all of the current and past matter that has ever existed in the universe originated all at the exact same time, about 13.7 billion years ago. Now, this does not mean that every object exists or was created at this point, right? I wasn't created at this point. My cup wasn't created at this point, but all of the material that makes me, all of the material that makes my cup, every single little bit of matter, right? That was formed simultaneously 13.7 billion years ago. At this time, all of that matter was compacted into a tiny, tiny little volume with infinite density and intense heat. Right after that, the Big Bang occurred. Okay? So a fraction of a second after the Big Bang. And by a fraction, I mean a billionth of a billionth of a billionth of a billionth of a second after the Big Bang. The visible Earth, or the visible universe expanded to be about the size of a grapefruit, right? So not very big, but it went from basically nothing to the size of a grapefruit very, very quickly. Now, in that time, the universe is beginning to cool. As matter is expanding away from all other matter, that causes the matter to cool. Now, at this time, all of the matter is still incredibly hot, right? At this time, all of the matter is basically just incredibly hot heat energy, right? But it is beginning to cool. As it expands, it cools further. As it cools, atoms and molecules form, they slow down, and they begin to accumulate into patchy clouds that we call nebula. Now, 9 billion years after the Big Bang, right, finally, we get our nebula that created our own sun with its 8 planets, all of the asteroids, the comets, everything within our own solar system was created from a nebula about 9 billion years after the Big Bang.